Hello and welcome to another episode of NSE FinWiz powered by CNBC TV18. Today we're in the office of a company that's doing a great job in green energy, and it is our endeavor to make the personal finances of their employees a little greener. We're in the office of Welspun Energy in Noida. Welspun Energy is a part of the Welspun Group, which is one of India's fastest growing corporations. With a focus on green technologies, Welspun Energy is interweaving inclusive growth, social, economic and environmental sustenance in their projects to provide sustainable energy for all by the year 2030 through solar and wind energy. Focusing on our theme for the series, NSE FinWiz visited Welspun Energy to gauge thoughts and notions of young professionals of the organization to understand their approach towards investments and financial planning.
There is no dedicated personal advisor as such, but there are brokers and there are dealers with whom I interact while share trading, and I also have relationship manager at a brokerage house, so I take advice from them. I get their internal research reports on various companies which they advise, and then I internally discuss it with my family and friends, and then I decide whether to invest or not.
Actually, I started working few months back, so I've not saved much money to invest it in somewhere. But yeah, I have started investing. I've invested in LIC and in PPF fund, and if I start saving some money, yeah, I would definitely look forward to save some money, to invest some money in say some commodity or in some property.
Yes, for me investment is foreign exchange. For me investment is going out of the way and buying certain shares and stocks. For me investment is hiring a trader for myself and asking him or her to invest for me and make money. That is what investment is for me.
With a raring-to-go attitude, these budding professionals of Welspun Energy were enthusiastically looking forward to the forum with our financial experts to take in the advice and pose their queries on smart financial planning.
Yes, I would like to seek professional advice because, that does mean something, especially if I'm venturing into a newer area. Then yes, professional advice would matter to me.
My first question would be, how do you decide as to which sector or to which investment is gonna make profit in a short duration of a time, one, and second would be, how do you decide that it is going to make it is going to be a profitable business in the long term. Probably it might be that in short term I might not get a return, but there are certain investments where in long term, yes, I get a huge chunk of return. So what is the rationale behind that decision, and how do we decide, how does that trend go? That is what I would like to know.
If I meet a professional expert or a forum of professional expert, then I would like to know that how the share market works, then what are the companies and how the stock markets go up and down, and where should I invest and why should I invest, and what are the returns that I would be getting back in how much time.